Hello, good evening friends. Now we are discussing joining processes. Already we discussed engineering materials. Now basically there are three joining processes. One is welding, another is soldering, and third is brazing. So in welding temperature is more. In brazing the temperature is medium, and in soldering the temperature is less comparatively. Okay, so soldering is a joining process used for joining two similar or two dissimilar metals by using a filler metal. Okay, see here the filler metal is used whose temperature is below 45 degree, melting temperature is below 45 degrees Celsius. See, this is the soldering gun. This is one piece of the workpiece, and this is another piece. So here by using the soldering gun, okay, the filler metal is used here, solder. Okay, the soldering process is carried out. Now what is the surface preparation? Cleaning the workpiece surfaces to remove the dirt like oil, rust, etc. In this step the suitable flux is applied on the surface. See, on the surface of the workpieces, two pieces, okay, which are to be joined, we first what we do, we first place the flux, because it avoids the entry of the oxygen into the soldered joint. Okay, now the flux used is zinc chloride, HCl, alcohol, rosin, etc. Types of solders, basically two types of solders are used. One is soft solder and another is hard solder. Soft solder, it is an alloy of tin and lead and it has low melting point. It is used for small joints. Hard solder, it is an alloy of silver and lead with copper and zinc. It has a melting point, high melting point comparatively, and it is used to make comparatively stronger joints. Now methods of soldering, basically there are three methods: soldering iron method, wave soldering, okay, now brazing, it is a method of joining two similar or dissimilar metals by using a filler metal whose melting temperature is above 45 degree Celsius. See, in soldering the filler metal is used whose melting temperature is below 450 degrees Celsius. In brazing, filler metal is used whose melting point is greater than 450 degrees Celsius. Okay, the filler metal used is known as spelter. It is important. What is the name of the filler metal? Spelter. It is a non-ferrous metal. Commonly used filler metal is copper alloy, silver alloy, aluminum alloy. Okay, the torch brazing process is shown. You see here, this is a brazing torch. The flame is produced here. This is one workpiece, this is another workpiece. Okay, so here the two workpieces are to be joined. You see here. Now I will explain torch brazing process. In this operation, the surfaces to be joined are cleaned thoroughly in order to remove dirt, grease, etc. Next, the flux is applied at the joint. See, in all the three processes, flux is required because when we use the flux, it avoids the entry of the oxygen into the weld joint, soldered joint, or brazed joint. So what is the flux used in this method? Borax, boric acid. Okay, these are the commonly used flux metals or materials. The base metals are heated by an oxyacetylene welding torch. Already I explained to you. The filler metal is placed at the joint and heated by carburizing flame. What is meant by carburizing flame? See, here we mix oxygen and acetylene gas. So here percentage of the acetylene C2H2 gas is more than the oxygen joint. Then the flame produced is known as carburizing flame. The temperature is above 450 0 degrees Celsius and below the melting temperature of the base metal. Otherwise what will happen? The base metal will be melted. It should not be melted, only we have to fill the gap. Okay, finally the workpiece is cleaned to remove the flux material and the joint is ready to use. Now we have to discuss difference between brazing and soldering. In brazing, filler metal used is known as spelter. Here the filler metal is known as solder. Melting point of the filler metal is above 450 degrees Celsius. Melting point of the filler metal is below 450 degree Celsius. Comparatively stronger joints can be obtained. Comparatively less stronger joints can be obtained. Brazed joints resist corrosion. Soldered joints do not resist corrosion. Brazing is slightly costlier. It is comparatively cheaper process. Okay. So next we have to discuss the difference between welding, brazing and soldering. This is very important question. If you go through the VTU question papers, you will come to know, okay, this question is frequently asked. Differentiate between welding, soldering and brazing. It is a high temperature process, it is a low temperature process, it is a medium temperature process. Filler material and base material is same. Filler material and base material both are not same. Here not same. Strength of the welded joint is comparatively stronger. Strength of the soldered joint is weaker and strength of the brazed joint is medium strong. Joint is formed by solidification of molten filler metal. Joint is formed by diffusion of molten filler metal. Joint is formed by diffusion of molten filler metal. In welding process, the welding area may be affected by heat. No heat affected area, no heat affected area. After welding operation, finishing operations are required. Okay, no finishing operations are required. In some cases finishing operations are required. It is used, see, welding, where welding is used in fabrication and structural applications, where soldering is used in electronic industry. You know that printed circuit boards, these are soldered joints. Brazing is used for arts, jewelry work, etc. Okay, so we have completed 50% portion of module number 4. Okay, remaining 50% portion will be completed by Professor Santosh Hulloli, gear drives and belt drives. Okay, I will start module number 1, that is in the next video, that is energy sources. Okay, thank you.